You know what it is. The Falling on a Budget production.
It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys to giddy up, go boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James. Modern day outlaw game. If you're out here right.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we go, another video, another day, same shit, different day. I'm currently at my dad's house. I got my, where you at, Jose?
I'm right here.
Right there, my brother-in-law right there, guys.
I'm gonna be famous.
We'll be on TV.
We're, as you can see, the grill. We're grilling out right now. We were here early this morning, knocking out some little things here and there for the trucks that we need to, you know, maintenance things here and there. So right now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you. Don't mind the trash in the back of the truck. There's my grill for the my classic. We're gonna go ahead and thank you. You already know, guys. We're gonna go ahead and slap the grill on and see what it looks like, and go from there. Also, this morning, like I said, we were doing maintenance, you know, things like that here and there, knocking little shit out that we had to take care of. Let me know what you guys think of that. You know, if you guys want to see more of us working or more mechanical stuff, you know, I mean, I don't know what you guys want to see, or you know, just the all custom stuff. You know, just let me know down.
We can put bikinis on. It's up to you. You just let us know. We can call it truckers on bikinis.
All right. But let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. You know, would you guys want to see of us, you know, mechanic stuff too? You know, I think that would be kind of boring, but I mean, I could be wrong. But you know, let us know what you guys think. You know, if you guys something you guys want to see, we'll go ahead and throw it in some videos. But enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and start this grill process. All right, let's get this hood popped up. By the way, my truck is super dirty. As always, guys, I know it's my truck stays dirty, but it's been raining anyways. Go ahead and slap the grill on and see what it looks like. All right, pretty straightforward. There's two bolts. There's two bolts on each side, and there's 4 on top. And the grill should pop out. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. All right, here's the older grill. Bam. So now we just gotta slap on the new one, and we should be good to go. All right, well, this was more simple than I thought. It's just 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. The grill's over there, so it's actually a lot simpler than I thought. So, and watch out. And I was gonna put a handle right here. I cut it out, and there was a little hidden handle there, but oh shit! I left it in my. Fortunately, I left it in my pickup truck. Cut this out like a little rectangle. It goes in from the outside, so it looks flat, but the dip's inside, so you can open it. But unfortunately, I forgot it, so I guess let's throw in the new grill. Go ahead and take it out. That way you guys can see this. Bam. Show them. Hey. All right, let's go ahead and slap it on real quick. All right, guys, check it out. Pretty simple. Didn't record. 4 on the side. But there it is. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, it literally took like 2 minutes, like 10 seconds, really. Obviously, there's a gap because I got to tighten it. I just kind of have it sitting there. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up and see what it looks like. All right, guys, there it is. Go ahead and close it up. All right, let's see how this looks. Don't mind my faded ass paint, guys. Hey, nice. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, guys. Go ahead and rip off this paper and see what it looks like. Fuck it.
Oh man.
That's fine. You? He said to get you in the video like I did. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Made a hell of a difference. Nice. Cool. Alright everyone, what's up? Here we are. It's been a few days since the last footage I just showed you. Not lying, it was like a week already. It's been like a week. Yeah, it's been like a week already. I didn't record anymore that other day we were doing the grill because I was with my family, you know, was having a good time. I forgot to record. And it started raining, so I ended up going inside. And I didn't record anymore. The following day, we just started working, and we've been working all week. Everybody's been working non-stop. No one's had a chance to do anything. So I didn't get to finish recording or nothing, you know. And all the video I had of doing the grill, we did it so fast that it's not that long to make a video, you know. So I wanted to do something else. I also wanted to tint the back window right there, but I ran out of time, so it sucked. Either way, I'm ready to go home, but I have to finish this video. The video for the grill, I was supposed to put it out for last week, and I haven't done anything, so that kind of sucks. But the reason was because, like I said, it was too short. I want to do more in the video, so I'm gonna add doing the window, tinting the window in the back. See how long it is. I'm just gonna kind of go with that. Finish tinting the window. That way I can go home, shower. I'll edit the video, upload it right away. That way you guys have something to watch. So I'll go ahead and get started on tinting the window. That way I can finish up this video for you guys. So let's get to it. Go ahead and show you what the truck looks like during the day with the grill on. I washed it, or I had my cousin wash it yesterday, but I don't know if you can tell on the camera. I have a lot of little bugs, cause yeah, that's what it looks like with the grill on now. Either way, let's get started on this window. Go ahead and tint this. Pretty simple. All you need is some glass cleaner or Windex, and what I use is soap and water. Some window tint, nothing crazy. It's just your normal AutoZone discount O'Reilly tint. It's pretty basic, and a blade and this little thing for the tint, that way you don't scratch it or rip it. But what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the window, get the tint laid over it, get it cut out, go on the inside and put it on. Pretty simple, so let's get to it. First things first, clean the hell out of this window. Make sure it's clean, just so you don't get no shit on the tint. You don't want none of that stuff staying inside. No bueno. No bueno, no bueno. Alright, should be good. You can see inside, so now let's go ahead and throw the paper on. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the camera inside. I'm gonna go do it from the outside so you can kind of see it. Take in mind, I'm not a professional, so I'm just kind of trying to do it, so we'll see how it turns out. Alright, got the piece cut out. Go ahead and throw it over here. First things first, I gotta clean the window. Alright guys, got the paper on. Pretty simple. Just cut the shape of the window out. Go on the inside. Make sure the window's clean. Peel this clear piece off of it. Slap it on. Obviously you gotta spray with Windex or water and soap or whatever you use. Once it's on, you just kind of get all the bubbles out. Pretty straightforward. Nothing out of this world. Make sure you get them all out. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but it works. I'm gonna go over it one more time, make sure it's all good, and then, like as you can tell, I kind of messed up in that corner there. But I mean, it's like I said, I'm not a professional, so either way, it's a lot better than what it was. So yeah. Alright guys, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. I knew it wasn't gonna take that long. I've been wanting to do it since I put the window in, but I've been procrastinating. Finally decided to do it though, and it made a hell of a difference in here. It's way darker. Really like the way it looked. So I like it. Let's go see it from the outside. Alright guys, there it is. Cleaned up. Much better, nice and dark. You can see inside a little bit. Nothing crazy though. But that's what I wanted. I wanted it to be dark. So it is. Nice. Either way, you can't see inside anymore. And inside it's dark. Nice. So that's that guys. Alright guys, and that's the end of the video. Finished up. Took me forever to finish up this video, but at least I finally finished it. Let me know what you guys think of the truck, the grill, the window, whatever. I know it needs paint. A lot of people tell me to paint it. I know guys, I know. I'll get there. So with that being said guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.